na FCSB le United Khagen don 3-4-3 formation ar manga FCSB United pan 3-4-3 formation to an bang ni wing back pani chordon ni le inang o khel FCSB hi Romanian club ania chuan tuna hian an domestic league an league table anina ania United hi Premier League hian table hian song panina ani me kani wa tuna in khel ka entranang FCSB club lar lawani Romanian club kan sangai lawm zo hoten abigin ma mate ho chon Andred Mia lawang ba kum club shen ngai lo kha an tum chu ne in game avateu katsu golma dakal se onana khan khoi man don lawni dum le me United nora maino of the unvan a power talk lawni pet pil dawa United norzel ase umse nei lu tu ani law no ke Hoyland de tat United hian ball chang tam jok deya ase Eriksen ni mo azon lutuk ani keeper bolum lame half chance sun nei le zau thina pure chance sun le sim thai bi lo ni me ta thi mo avati onve maino over lock mail Martinez and free paid over ani United Norzela hey Norzela se umje ni lutuk bi lo se khan half chance chuwai ni well this ve to pure chance ni lamu tai bi lo ni
That's why you just need to keep it better.
Better này amul potong le mai amul hin United team sabar kan kol ati mau maya manager team long ne players team long ni don ni players sin anlang sarve vu to sia mase game hen ma son lutuk lo ni itu na po ena game on zin nei lutuka bolan lak lo hi am lo an pong ponor de top man cho ti turin na te thian ke tat mai an tum po hi FCSB kan ti to kha club lar lo an dia John khela he he tok my first up FCSB and chance win khat chun nei ve to ya Norveya ma se he me umzi amlu tu lo nin nor ko FCSB to he lejar putang khop mai
It's just been old-fashioned towards Niculescu.
Bol umzi anin khel ki khel mu dom tak dia soi tur chu ne lo rum rum
ani last few minutes that's what they've done. They've just
Europa League India Europa League ki UEFA Champions League tu che kha ni a lang chun team thaber khel nan ni lawa team van tang in elna Europa team van tang in elna team ka soila kan sei solam la second half na na de nora benar chon da luta je nei the donam
contain and pick their moments. I guess it's up to you.
Norzela cross and low block out that way.
It's a bit different to what they use.
Knew it straight offside.
để lắm tao hỏi chứ
An early chance
chân
here for
xiên
Manchester
xiêm
United.
tục luôn
Oh, not
cái à hỏi là nó phải tự yếm về
And he has that pick,
And that pick
hỏi là
out
thì
here
tôi nó
is
finishing
a
here
really
chặt tốt
difficult
luôn
one, that for the goal.
causing him problems.
Cắt.
Shut.
Dunovic.
cái điện cái chỗ Messi đã Ronaldo đã chọn miss down rồi
I have to say, Lucy, I watched him have to do some of it yourself.
lắm lắm mày
So in the first half,
Past the
biết
11.
cái chuyện lắm mày
Are they
Đó,
calling
xong
up
thì
to
chúa.
something here? It's given away by
người ta đều nở
against Karabakh, and you just wonder whether that is bit of a rush of blood to the head.
yeah.
cái ăn shot này về chọn để ăn lỏng lậu lép này lại lắm bằng FCSB tìm lỏng lậu tất cả những cái áo phao áo phao lậu trò mình lậu
Inez,
free kick chặt tất cả này
Hoyland with the shot.
Highland is difficult to get that.
Ericsson ni mo shot power of talk lậu mo
Coming now, and a chance at the top post.
ale dalo na score nice shot at ang score minor cross
Got themselves a goal from it.
cross to khop này
Box and Dalot cuts
across track cái part tan tiền này nào lâu đấy đừng cái nào đó anh lại chỉ sụt tội được mà
Helped.
này thì nó sẽ là
He might have a go. Oh,
oh shot avan này trở về cả chú
Joe.
ai hết duy ba goal
In
lâu
the
thật
box to Ayman.
trying to find the right role for each of the
contribution
players.
siya ma FCSB lamin
Has a go. United for
at
the
kaya
playing
goal
so far
goal
in this.
post per
Oh, nicely done as Garnacho looks to get on the end. United threatening at the other end.
United
Hoyland's in
in
there,
Norzel.
but it's behind.
The two centre backs and
Holland cross
facing
William
the
lâu
press and
thật
trying to just
Arriving in the box. Maida was in there too.
and
Really not.
Ganacho cross me minor close score score na
great
lutok
run.
cool da win
Garnacho
Position.
Ganacho cross ka low score ani
is a nice, good
ro
work.
puila me ki ju ki tiang tur ki nia first half ang game kha chelu tu ko mo second half ang game chu dang lak ani na ta ki Manchester United tak tak kan ta kan ti theo me
It's a corner. There's just been a more of a
FCSB and chance have ni vele zu thina
To
shot
change
chado
the entire system and the way that the
It was pretty late there, wasn't he, on Dalot?
da lot
to the players, and
ko
we
tat
know
me
what he did at Sporting, and
Ahmad with the run. Just ran out of pitch.
United nora
Who's there too?
nor jam lo kat corner muwa khapo anjani nan chwa lo ani
Garnacho, who
in the end, it's just the pain of on top of the
United
foot.
ti lo rang me a
changed
mo
the
chan
atmosphere one bit.
In fact, it's got louder.
Nicolescu.
FCSB lam tan ti na to lo nor te box si lo wa
Talked about how
hoi la nan miss na ai khop
Substitutes in the second
mai
half.
on the ball, but there still could yet be a chance. It's comfortable for
so dan ni veli ziu thina
Chelsea
power
looking
lo
to in and a half. There's a chance
oh
here
ki
for
chu
him.
avat thave